In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to repeat exercises using exercise timer. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to create a new interval timer here, a new workout. Let's name it my workout. And let's create an exercise. Let's leave it interval 1. Okay, so like this. I have one interval. If I want to repeat it, I can simply press the plus button here, for example, to repeat it 6 times. So this is like the laps, sort of, all the exercises in a workout will repeat for this amount. But what if I want to repeat like a certain set of exercises for a set amount? Okay, so for that we create a group. So create a group. Let's name this, for example, warm-up. You can also set a color from here, for example, yellow. And well, I can leave it open. I can't leave it empty, so let's press cancel and let's add an exercise into this group. So press plus exercise and let's, for example, put in some sit-ups. Put it blue and let's set it, for example, to 20 seconds. Done. Okay, so now, for example, if I set the laps in this group to 4, for example, the sit-ups will repeat to 4, but the interval 1 will not repeat, like 4 times to 4 laps. Okay, so if I want to repeat more exercises in the same group, I can continue adding exercises. So, for example, if I add a break in here of 10 seconds, it will also repeat for 4 times. So if I press done and save this workout and open it, I can see that I have the first interval, then I have the sit-ups and the break repeated for 4 times. Okay, I'm going to stop this. And something else which is interesting is that exercise timer here shows the warm-up grouped, and it shows you the 4 times up in here basically. And if I tap this small icon here next to the exercises, I can alternate between these 3 views. So I have the normal view, which is with the warm-up, with the group sort of showing the exercises here. I can switch to this, which shows sort of like, it opens up the group sort of, it multiplies the exercises, and we have this which still shows the group header, but shows the exercises sort of multiplied.